Hello and welcome to Jira Lab. In this episode, I will talk about managing notifications from Jira. Let's have a look at our use case scenario. A user works as test coordinator and she creates a lot of issues for herself and for other users. In other words, she's a tester, she's a test coordinator, and her job is to create issues for other testers and for herself as a tester. Right, and she complains that she receives daily from Jira over 100 emails. Every time somebody updates, comments or resolves the issue, she receives an email. What can you do as Jira administrator to help limit the number of emails sent to this user from Jira? Okay, so our first step in this investigation will be checking the notification scheme for the project she works in. Right, so we are in the project Team Blue, and let's have a look at the notification scheme. Right, in this notification scheme, we've got that whenever issue is updated, whenever issue is resolved, or whenever issue is commented, all watchers receive the notification. So how about we modify the notification scheme and remove watchers from these specific notifications? No, it would be a bad answer. This notification scheme is shared with 18 projects, and we cannot modify the notification scheme because it would influence other users. So how about changing the global settings? If we go to Administration System General here, and if we press the Edit button, here we've got the setting Watching on and off. If we turn this setting to off, how about this solution? Would it be good? No, because you would disable the issue watching functionality for the entire application, so it's not a good idea. So definitely it would be a wrong answer. Okay, so how about going to System User Interface and disable it there. So we are in System, in Administration System, and we would go to User Interface, Default User Preferences. Okay, beforehand I need to cancel that. And User Interface, Default User Preferences. So these are the settings for user profiles, among others, and we could change these default values. Auto watch on issues. How about changing this? So again, this is a global change, and it would be too much just to fix the problem of just one user. I know that some users want this auto watch option enabled by default, and we are not going to change it for them. So we are not going to change these default settings. What we should do is to instruct this user simply to go to her user profile, which you can reach here, profile, and simply change her preferences in auto watch. So instead of inheriting this from global settings, which I have just shown you, it's better to use this option disabled. And she doesn't have to do it for a long time. She can just use this option disabled just for the period of setting up test plans or test cases, and as soon as she finishes her work, she can put this setting back on. So that's why it is so important not to fix something for one user, making a global change for everyone. Let's keep these changes as local and individual as possible. Okay, so that is all for now. Thank you for watching another episode of Jira Lab, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.